Alright, what's going on, guys? Hopefully this video actually gets out, because I've had several recorded, and they're just still in a process of being recorded, due to several different things. But hopefully this one will actually come out. So, me and your boy have been kind of down lately, you know? Me and Nathan, man, you guys know Nathan from his Kirby, a lot of the Forza challenges and stuff like that. He's been feeling kind of down lately. I've been feeling kind of down lately. He went on he's never done anything like this in his entire life. He went on a splurging spree. He went and bought things. And he actually bought some computer parts. And that's what I'm going to go do today. We're going to go install it. He got a 3070 or 3060 Ti and a 850 power supply to power it. Because he went from a 1060 3GB to that, which I mean, that's a pretty sick setup with everything he's gonna have. The only issue I have with this computer, it's AMD, which kind of sucks because last time I worked on anything, the i77K, which is the processor I have in my computer, was the best of the best. So yeah, times have changed a little bit. I think the last time I did anything computer-wise is I installed my 3060 or 20. Is it a 3060 or 2060? I think it's a 2060 amp because it was the base clock. It's to the base clock of a 3060. Yeah, that's what it is. But I'm going to go pick up some energy drinks because he always does that for me when we go out fishing and stuff. And then we're going to get started. Oh, no. All right. Well, I'm just recording you, Nathan. Coming over here.
What kind of screwdriver right now?
Just a Phillips. I mean, no, well, the thing is, you don't really need one for this.
You can just screw out the bolts?
Yeah, because it's got the little nipple things on it. I don't know. Sure. It's your house, man.
Well, no, we need an electronics tester.
Yeah, but I got everything disconnected up here, over here. I think that's really all, because we're not doing a full swap, so we don't have to wait. I'm a Nicholas.
My bad.
The disrespect on this man. But yeah. Oh, so many wires that we're gonna have to hook up. This one's like an hour.
This is intimidating. Oh wait, it's a whole ass new power cord as well.
Yeah, no, I mean, okay. So there's two things you can do.
Oh.
We can unhook the wires from that one and reuse them, because that is an EVGA, right?
Yeah.
So technically we could reuse those, but I think it's best to get...
Yeah, just use the new wire. Now,
yeah.
Do I got a story for you?
Ooh, but we're gonna need scissors, because everything is zip tied and all nice and fancy.
That's rich for you.
Yeah. Oh, I hate destroying another man's work, but... So I just gave this thing a nice old blow, clean it out, got everything. So now it's time to put that thing together, put it in here.
Screw back in the motherboard.
Oh yeah, screw that. Well, I want to wait for that just in case we decide to run, unless you don't want to run it through there.
What do you mean?
Run that one cable through there.
That is up to you. Whatever you think would be easiest for me. I'm not going to be upgrading that again for a while.
We'll
figure it out.
I'm not Linus Tech Tips. I'm not going to be one of those that, like, you know, makes it perfect looking. So we'll just screw it back in. All right, so this is the part that I bet you've been waiting for. We get to open the big thing. So we can see what connections go to it. But I pretty much got it all wired up. And I will say, best wiring job I've done so far.
Yeah.
And I'll figure it out.
Your parents are rich, aren't they?
No, it's not my parents.
Not parents, but
My uncle, yes.
you understand.
My great uncle, yes.
I've heard the story. We're not rich. Many times.
Whoa.
Don't
Sorry.
drop the cans.
Here we go. You got a nice dent in it.
Huh?
In the box, you got a nice dent right there. That could have been just where we laid something on it.
Dude, this tablecloth is dangerous, bro.
That's a dangerous tablecloth. Ooh, does this one slide out? Most of them you just kind of take the top off, but... Almost looks like you got like a mini laptop. Yeah, you get a message, I'm pretty sure. Or at least that's all the paperwork. There was some special edition where you get, like, special things.
Tells me what's in here, the requirements.
Wait, is that stickers? This... Oh no, that's not stickers. Aw.
And then this is a.
Those are just booklets of all the stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Here comes the part we've been waiting for. Aww. Ooh, wait, is that a bridge? Oh no, whoa. That's heavy duty stuff right there, man. So you know what this is? I'm pretty sure, if I'm correct, that goes in like that across to hold it up.
Gotcha.
Because it's so heavy. At least I'm pretty sure that is. I'm only worked with small 2 fans. If you need help. Hold on. Come on. Oh my god, that is heavy.
Girthy.
That is girthy, my dude.
I do know one thing though.
Mm-hmm.
Looking at the note on where do the wires go?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to play that again.
What? It has every technology thing has wires. So I'm gonna have to let it work. It's Gangnam style. It's like a DJ thing.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
win. Dad.
Okay, yes, we apologize, Ryan.
Yes, we apologize,
That's just our age.
but this is actually kind of sick, Nathan. I ain't gonna
Well, my
lie.
dad ain't even allowed to say cuss words. What makes you think
Yeah,
that you
even
are?
though this one's old, Pappy, it's worth like $250 to $300 still.
And it's dusty.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's just covers.
And also, Nathan, apparently that's just an extra
It's like
piece.
pulling the film off a brand new iPhone.
I've been holding it.
It's very satisfying.
Satisfying.
Oh,
I'm winning so much money.
baby. Let me tell you.
Satisfying. There you go. All right. Got it all. This looks real. It looks almost professional. If you had a aftermarket.
It's the whole power plug. Wait, where's the new one?
Did you not bring it over here?
Probably on the counter. Flip around.
Well, I'll just see if you left it over here first. No, you didn't leave it over here. Yeah, so you probably brought it over here somewhere.
Figure it out. Figure it out.
Figure it out. Figure it out. Come on, be snappy.
Okay.
You find it?
No, I'm still.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh God. All right. Plug it in. Is it in? In all the way.
It's all the way. I just
All
got
right.
it in.
Hit the switch. Zzz. 3, 2. Switch is on, right? Cable's in. Switch is on. Let's see. Yeah, so that's why it looked weird. Cause oh my god, that is cool. Come here, Ryan. And
Not gonna lie, my heart dropped with the power button. Did it work?
yeah,
the
me
first time?
too.
Me and you were both
Oh
like-
my god, I'm just so glad it was the surge protector. So RGB, all that works, all the fans work. But and we're getting now if it pulls up stuff, that's when it's gonna be good. So. Oh.
Yeah, definitely. If it doesn't work anywhere in the future, we will definitely call you. Cause
Oh,
it's
yeah.
been amazing.
And honestly, I might move the PC to up here because Mom wants this monitor back.
Oh, and you just go.
Updating system.
I
But
think
yeah,
you
Mom
should.
wants
Also
this
the
back,
printer.
so I'm gonna end up unplugging this.
Mhm.
I can just put my PC in the corner right here. instead of
Yeah,
having it on
and
the
that
floor.
look, and you can sit there and just watch this as everything.
Nathan,
Well,
if I was in your position, I would do the same thing.
see the glass goes right here. So
Yes.
realistically, I'd move the monitor over here and have the PC over here,
Yeah.
so I can see him.
And that way you could just be kind of hunched up in your corner, just. Hey!
Restarting. We have no controls.
Yeah, we're gonna have to plug everything in, so I can download graphics drivers.
Yeah, but
Oh, I hear that thing. That's silent.
that's the nice 3070 Ti.
Oh. Please tell me. Yep. Okay, it's just
It,
doing
it
that.
just said restarting, so yeah.